Hello, welcome to Excel tutorial channel. Today we will learn how to add row index in your loaded query or in your worksheet. Suppose if you have these data like my first name, last name and email, you want to assign a index to every rows, then this is very important tutorial for you. To do that, it's very easy in the Excel because with Power Query you can solve so many complex equations, complex methods in this Power Query, and it helps when you have loads of data like 10,000s of entries in your Excel. So to do that, it's very easy. First we need to insert a table. You can go to insert and you can go to the table, or you can do it by click Control plus T, and here you have my table has headers options. If you have a table header, what is the table header? Like this, first name is my table header and these are the first names, and last name, these are my table header. If you have header, then you can check this option. If you don't, just uncheck this option. Because I have header, I have to check this option. Just click OK. So this is transformed into a table. So you can go to data. Here we have so many options here: get data, from file, from this workbook, etc. We also have this option from table, get data from table or range. Just click on that. Here Power Query window will open, and here to add row index to each name, we need to add a column. Which column? Index column. Here if you want to start from the 0, you can also start from 0, or you can also customize your index entries, starting index. Like you can also start from 10, or if you want to assign like a roll number or something, you can do it via like this, like 101, 102, etc. or like that. If you want to add an increment like first to 10, you can do also that, like 5, 10. It's very handy if you have like you want to assign some task per member. Like I want to task first member to like 5 and 10 and 15. It's very handy in that sense. So we will click cancel. Just index column, start from 0, it will add the index here. Now we will drag to the first section. Here it is. So these are the index column. We have 1 to 100. So we have added the indexing. So we will go to the home and click close and load. Here we got the index column. It's so easy peasy, right? So if you like this tutorial, please click like or comment below, or you can check my site exceltutorial.net, because lot of things are happening there. Each day, every day we are posting new tutorials there. You can also check that. Also subscribe to our channel and follow this playlist to get more formulas in your pocket. So thank you for watching, and meet you till the next tutorial.